मैं दिखता हूँ ना बड़ा स्वीट इनोसेंट स्वामी टाइप का, लेकिन मैं हूँ बहुत बड़े हरामी टाइप का.
Perfect.
So I had to really play off his energy. So I did a lot of exercises जिसमें मैं उसकी energy पढ़ता था.
Okay.
And we used to get that relationship building. So I used to sleep with him. I used to eat with. I used to clean his papa also. Everything.
Pressure, I think now it's more with the comparison to my mom.
Which scene are you most excited for the audience to see in this movie?
Radio Nasha.
Hi, this is Sheetal and welcome to Radio Nasha. Such an exciting day today as I'm in conversation with the team of Azad. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi.
Firstly, I want to say big congratulations to the two of you because I have
Thank
seen
you.
the teaser and I'm so happy, like genuinely so happy for the two of you.
Thank you so much.
What a debut, right? So
Question, sir.
usually questions के साथ start करते हैं लोग, but I decided that क्योंकि we are all in the merry mood, let's do a rapid fire and then go to the questions.
I love these.
Okay.
It's so fun.
चलो.
Starting off with your all-time favorite actor. You can't take your mom's name. Male
Amitabh Bachchan.
and female.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Rekha. No?
female actor.
It's a
Praveen
rapid
Babu.
fire. Sorry?
Praveen Babu.
Nice. Yours?
I think Zeenat Aman.
Okay. And
Wow.
male?
And I have to stick with Amit Ji also.
Okay.
Fabulous.
Okay. We'll start with the actors.
Rekha ji
Mm-hmm.
and Amitabh Bachchan sir.
Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.
Your favorite movie of Raveena?
Andaz apna apna.
Your favorite movie of Ajay?
Bhagat Singh.
Okay. If you could cast someone from the retro years for Azad, who would it be?
Oh wow.
And that's a good one.
That's a good question.
For each of their roles.
For each of the roles?
Yeah.
Rishi Kapoor and Neetu Singh.
Wow.
Very nice option. Oh my god, that is so cool. Okay, if you could remake a retro movie, which one would it be?
Well, there's some of them that I loved so much that I don't think. But if you ask me, I wish I had made,
Yeah,
I can answer that. But I don't think
Okay.
I would dare to.
remake another one. Okay,
Amar Akbar Anthony.
iconic.
Oh, what a film, man.
Okay, what are your comfort films? Starting off with you.
Retro?
Yeah.
How do I choose? Oh my god, this is so. Dole Raja.
Okay, yours?
K3G.
Oh,
Comfort
Same.
film.
how did I? Yeah,
Comfort
that's
film.
my
Comfort film.
too.
Yeah,
Oh my god, why didn't I say that also?
Amar Akbar Anthony.
he's a big Amitabh Bachchan fan. I can
Yeah.
tell that.
Who isn't?
Yeah.
Describe your personality with a Bollywood dialogue. Starting off with you.
My personality.
Yeah.
With the Bollywood.
Yes.
हम जहाँ खड़े हो जाए लाइन वहीं से शुरू होती है.
Fab. Yours.
मैं दिखता हूँ ना बड़ा स्वीट इनोसेंट स्वामी टाइप का, लेकिन मैं हूँ बहुत बड़े
Haraami
हरामी
type
टाइप का.
ka. Perfect.
What is that?
Can I say a
Varun
song?
Dhawan. Yeah.
Can I say a song instead?
That was my next question, so
Oh,
we'll have to
okay.
do with the dialogue.
Oh my god, pressure. I don't know.
Okay, if not retro, then who?
Uyya
Yeah.
maa dayare dayare.
I was gonna say Uyya Ma, but then I was like, but that's a song.
Okay.
No, it's also.
It's also an exclamation.
Okay,
yeah.
Uyya Ma.
Okay, done. If your life was a theme song, if it had a theme song, which one would it be from the retro years?
I know.
Okay, you say. You go first.
किसी डिस्को में जाए, किसी होटल में खाए.
You know the step also, na?
Yeah, of course.
And yours?
I think जाने
जाना.
जाना.
He's still thinking.
जाने
Salman Khan.
Salman sir.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं
दौड़ेंगे.
Okay, one dance anthem from the retro years that you love dancing on. You want to go first?
Yeah, sure. Om Shanti Om.
Yes.
Oh.
Shanti
Shanti.
Shanti Om.
Aman?
I need a minute.
Any
You answer
Nasiru Sen
first.
song actually.
Yeah.
Answer first. I need a minute.
Okay.
गुलाबी आँखें जो तेरी देखी.
Yes. Aman is jamming
There's something
already.
in my head.
Yeah, this is like a bit like.
Yeah, it's
No, no,
rapid
I
fire,
know the
guys.
song.
Come on.
Come on, we have to be a little quicker.
Quicker.
Okay.
Yeah.
मैंने तुझको देखा. That one.
Nice.
Like that.
Okay, so because we are here right now, we're gonna do something called let's complete the lyrics. Okay, I'm just gonna not sing a song. I'm just gonna say the line, and you'll have to continue it. If you know it, then just tap, and then you start.
Okay, one person
Oh,
answers.
I need
Yeah,
a-
only one person answers. Okay. मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू?
Oh, तेरे रूप
नहीं. चलिया तू चलिया
नहीं
there's a line in
नहीं,
between, no?
तेरे
सपनों
रकीरानी कब
can't
आएगी
sing.
तू तेरे रूप मस्तानी
घर
जाएगी तू.
That's half.
Half.
You didn't get it correct.
She said it first, no?
But I completed the
It's
second
okay, we
half,
have
yeah.
more songs.
I completed the second
I
half.
think
What was
you
the line?
read the first half of the
मेरे
exam, you write the
सपनों
conclusion.
half,
की
50-50
रानी Guys, stop fighting.
What is the next line?
Rutt mastani.
Mastani.
Yeah, she said it. So, okay, moving on. I'm not gonna sing. So, Kai Pan Banaras Wala.
खुल जाए बंद कर का ताला.
Yes. You should not sing it. बिना गाए आपको समझना पड़ेगा.
Sorry.
Okay.
याद कैसे आएगा फिर?
That's the point. Okay. ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे.
तोड़ेंगे
Continue. Full line.
हम अगर
हम
तेरा साथ ना
छोड़ेंगे. Got to
Yeah,
know.
no, he gets that. Right.
Okay, moving on now to the 80s वाला गाना. Okay. Jimmy, Jimmy, आजा आजा.
Jimmy, Jimmy, आजा आजा.
What's the next line?
Na 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 na.
Tune सबको पता है.
Yeah, tune
Lyrics
only
क्या
है.
पता है?
Don't know.
Okay, let's skip it then. Okay, this one you have to guess, okay? किसी डिस्को में जाए.
किसी होटल में खाए कोई देख लेना हमें यारा ढूंढ के आया.
Okay, moving on. पहला नशा, पहला कुमार.
Something
Everyone singing it in
इंतजार.
the head.
पहला प्यार है नया.
इंतजार. Correct, yes. Okay. Easier ones. Now we'll go to the 2000 ones, okay? हर घड़ी बदल रही है.
धूप जिंदगी.
धूप ए यार. You have to
You
get
have
this
to
tap,
dab,
yeah,
guys.
yeah.
Come on. Okay. ताल पे जब झूमे बदन.
ताल पे
जब झूमे
Na na
बदन.
na 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 no.
You need to sing the song. Hum it.
Which song? Which movie is this?
Okay, next one. Nobody got it.
He knows it. Okay, you know which we sang हर घड़ी बदल रही है, no? It's from the same movie.
With the line, na? I need to.
Yeah. Okay, let me sing it.
Yeah.
ताल पे जब झूमे
में बदन. ना ना ना.
अरे यार, that part तो let us.
ना ना.
I'm too curious. Tell me the answer. What is it?
खुल के झूमो.
ओ खुल के गाओ. आओ आओ.
खुल के गाओ. It's the time to disco. Perfect. Okay. Okay, this one I'm hoping you will guess it. Okay. आसमान है नीला क्यों?
पानी गीला गीला क्यों?
Next line. You're supposed to guess it. बताओ पूरा लाइन बता दो.
गोल क्यों है जमीन?
And then
सुर में है नरमी क्यों? बहता लाल रंग क्यों? दो और दो पाँच क्यों नहीं? सोचा है
Yes.
कि तूने क्या कभी?
correct.
5.
She's guessed it. Okay, star ke char. Okay, another segment. If you were stranded on a deserted island, what are the 4 movies that you need with you to just entertain yourself? Okay, retro years. Okay,
Retro.
till 2008, 2009 ले सकते हैं.
चलेगा.
We'll start with.
Mother India.
Mhm.
Amar Akbar Anthony. Sholay. And
We have some.
Bandit Queen and thinking of which Raj Kapoor film, but there's so many. But I would say Ram Teri Ganga Maile.
Did you rewatch it recently? It was out in the theaters.
I've seen it enough times. I don't need to rewatch it.
Okay, Aman, let's go with you.
Fight Club. K3G. Golmaal 1. And you need another comedy. थोड़ा
One with Sanjay Sir is the best.
अजब प्रेम की कसम.
Okay.
मजबूर. अंगूर. K3G. Last one. I can't say one because you said it.
You can say
That's
it,
okay.
yeah.
You can say it.
Okay,
It's
yeah,
your
then I
list.
copy him.
Yeah. Okay, awesome. Did you guys have fun?
A
Yes,
lot
time
of
to
fun.
move to the questions now, finally. Talk to me about your first day on the set. कैसा था? Is he strict or was he chill with you guys?
No, he's how do I describe?
Balance.
So like his passion on set is so loud that you feel a little scared and intimidated.
Okay.
But when he comes and explains to you what he requires from the scene, he says it in such a soft, perfect tone that we felt so comfortable, you know, grasping the characters just because of his mindset. It was so clear for us. Yeah.
For you?
So for me, there was a difference. I wouldn't say I was like fearful of him,
Okay.
but my respect for him was so much that anything he would say, I can't even till date. Sometimes I don't know what to say, so I just start smiling at him. Like it's because of I'm not scared of him,
Right.
but it's just I respect him
Respect,
so
yeah.
much and his work and his art that sometimes, you know, a human, it's like, oh, you know. Yeah.
What made you want to cast them, and did you have like a rule book कि set पे आने से पहले ये सब याद करके आना?
ऐसा नहीं होता है मुझे तो एक्चुअली फिल्म बनानी होती है
Yeah.
you know I have a story to tell, so I'm not really looking to launch any newcomers, or
Okay.
I don't have any such aims, but I look for the characters, you know, and if I see that can I find my character in these
them.
people, you know, and when I met them I felt yeah, they had something special in them, you know, both of them individually.
Okay.
They're very well brought up people, you know, and very सुलझे हुए,
सुलझे हुए,
and
yeah.
both were very keen to learn and open-minded. They came with a certain amount of training,
Right.
but not so trained that they could not unlearn anything, you know, so they were malleable, you know.
Yeah.
And I like to experiment, yeah. So अगर इनमें कुछ नहीं भी काम कर रहा है तो we are a team, you know.
Yes.
We have to support each other. So if something's not clicking, we make it either work to their advantage or we change the damn thing.
Yeah. But you worked with so many actors before as well, right? Is there a difference with working with newcomers and someone who's already experienced, or is it just the same? It's like a blank slate and you write on it.
No, different. I mean, you know, like when I worked with Sushant and Amit Saad and Raju when we did Kai
Kai
Puche,
Puche.
they were seasoned actors. They had not done so much work in film, so they were getting an opportunity in a big movie.
Right.
But they had a lot of experience, and for those characters, their bond needed that familiarity. So they knew they knew the technique of just making their relationship feel like it was decades old.
Right.
You know, and they knew certain things that worked for that particular film. But if I had to cast that much experience for Govind and Janki, maybe that would be detrimental. You know, so some films, like a fresh idea, like my horse has not acted before either, you know. So there's a lot of innocence
Yeah.
in that exchange, you know, when they interact with each other. There's magic that happens right then and there, you know, and I don't know how other directors would handle a situation like this, but I'm not intimidated by it. I'm hopeful. You know?
Hopeful, yeah.
So कि कुछ होगा यार, होगा, करेंगे
करेंगे,
कुछ।
करेंगे।
और नहीं करेंगे तो करवाएंगे और तो इनको इंस्पायर करेंगे और कुछ बनते बनते बनेगी, you know.
Yeah. Which was the first scene that you shot for this movie? याद है?
Which was the
मुझे
scene?
याद है
कौन सा?
घोड़ा, the running. It was a shot of
हाँ,
Azad running.
First shot was of the horse.
Horse running. Okay. Wow, amazing. Talk to me about how did your mom react? Has she seen the teaser? And what did she tell you? What is the advice she gave you?
So she, yes, of course, has seen the teaser, but I don't think there's specific advice that she's given me. Of course, to stay grounded, humble, because it's so easy, and I think that Gattusa also constantly tells us that it's so easy to just get swayed with
Swayed,
everything
yeah.
happening around you that you'll not even realize when you're like out of it. You know, so making a conscious effort every day to remind yourself that put your head on your shoulders,
Right.
you know, just don't fall for the high of it. And otherwise, she just tells me to be myself.
Best advice,
Basically.
right?
Whether it's real life or real life.
Real life.
Yeah.
And what did Ajay sir tell you?
I mean, like she said also, he's advised me always to say that पैर हमेशा ज़मीन पे, चाहे कितना भी success मिले, or don't forget where you begun and where you started.
Yeah.
Because that's what holds you down and that's what will take you.
Up there too.
True. You know, I think there's a certain amount of pressure, especially when you're a star kid, right? So do you even, I mean, now the movie is going to release on 17th of Jan, but how was the prep like, and what's the kind of pressure you took on yourself? Not the outside pressure that
Yeah,
we talk about,
no.
but internal pressure that you had.
No, the pressure was high because we are playing characters fairly different from us, farly
Yeah.
different from us actually. And especially for me with the scenes that I had with the horse, I couldn't, it's not an actor, he's not going to give his lines and then
Yeah.
I reciprocate. He would just improvise in the scene, sometimes he would just come to bite me. So I had to really play off his energy. So I did a lot of exercises जिसमें मैं उसकी energy पढ़ता था.
Okay.
And we used to get that relationship building. So I used to sleep with him, I used to eat with him, I used to clean his papa also, everything.
Every day you give another word, Papa.
I would do I
Every
can't
day
say nah, this is something cute. And you know, that relationship
Yeah.
building really helped while we were shooting.
And for you?
Pressure, I think now it's more with the comparison to my mom. it wasn't there as much when I was shooting because I don't think I was thinking of that only. I was only thinking of what was happening on set. Lekin I don't think we're in the same league also. I never thought that when I was shooting because she's somewhere, you know. So for me to reach that will be like a life achievement. लेकिन set पे जो pressure था, I think क्योंकि सब कुछ नया था, whether it was working with so many people, another actor being a horse, and then also listening to the director, everything,
yeah.
सब कुछ नया था. तो हर रोज जो सीख रहे थे हम set पे वो सब नया था. तो वो जो pressure था कि हाय ये भी करना है, ओके ये भी करना है, वो थोड़ा सा था, nervousness था. लेकिन I think he was there for me a lot.
Yeah.
So we kind of
I think वो एक pressure ज़रूरी भी होता है. It keeps you on the game.
On the game, yeah.
a little bit on your toes needed.
Which scene are you most excited for the audience to see in this movie?
Every scene.
What an answer.
But it's
But
true.
anything in specific? कि ये वाला तो it's going to move the
I mean,
audience
you know,
or
there's
probably
a
touch
story and it has a graph, and each scene is there because there's a purpose it serves.
them.
You know, I mean, I have my high moments in the film, and there are some really low moments in the film, and I would like people to experience it equally. You
Yeah.
know, because you can't really enjoy a high if you don't enjoy the low. You know, so if I have a film with only jokes in it, you'll get fed up of it, right? So it's very difficult for me to pick
Yeah.
one moment. If there was even one irrelevant scene, I would have taken it out.
Not taken, yeah, true. And for the two of you?
I mean, I don't know how to answer this without revealing something, but
Just don't reveal too much.
yeah, but I think I just agree with him, yeah, because it's our first film. Every scene, the amount of effort we put into every scene with his help,
Yeah.
every scene is so special.
Yeah.
So I don't think I can pick.
But most importantly, we've got a song coming out tomorrow.
Okay, which one is it? I've already heard the two.
It's called Oi Amma.
Oh, I
Yeah.
actually
And,
heard it.
you know, I'm very excited about
No,
it.
it's out.
Yeah.
The teaser is out.
The teaser is out, yeah. I saw all of you just sitting and just reacting to it. It was really special, I must say
Aw.
that.
Yeah.
So I want to ask you that there's so many different kind of movies that we have now, right? There's this mass drama that is going on, and then you have this horror comedy universe. But I want to ask you that how do you think Azad is going to resonate with the younger as well as the older audience? And what's your take on it?
I think there's enough room for everybody, you know, and people enjoy horror films. They enjoy different kind of these universe films. But there is no film like Azad.
Yeah.
I don't think it's been made in this industry. So what is exciting for me is actually to venture into the unknown.
Yeah.
What could also be very risky, and it could also be, you know, we could be opening doors to a completely new universe. You know,
Absolutely.
so that's
yeah.
the reason we make movies. I mean, if someone has already made it, I don't think it would excite me to make it only.
Right.
You know?
I think your other movies also are like that itself.
Yeah,
The
you know,
ones that you've made,
I
yeah.
make movies. Actually, I make them for myself.
Yeah.
You know, movies that I would like to see.
See.
And if I would like to see it, then there must be people like me also who would like to see new things.
Yeah, true.
So, yeah.
Yeah, I think with this thing, the only movie that I can remember is Hathi Mere Saathi, right?
Yeah.
सिर्फ वो एक ही movie था शायद. Is there any other movie where they show a pet and the whole journey and all of that?
Not
Not
that I can
here.
think
Not,
of.
yeah,
Not
just
yet.
Hathi Mere Saathi, I think, right?
Actually, there's no movie like Azad.
Azad, yeah, of
Nowhere
course.
in this country or in the West. There may be films made with a horse internationally,
Right.
but not like Azad.
Yeah.
It's a different film. It's a very Indian story, and it's a totally different take. So I can't pull any film as a reference for you.
Yeah, true. Well, that brings me to my last question. You have to give our audience one reason why they must go to the theatres on 17 Jan and watch Azad. I think you've already answered it, but I want to know from them. Aman, we'll go with you.
I think मैंने ये पहले भी बोला है कि मेरे को मेरे दोस्त या कोई भी पूछता है कि तेरी फिल्म की जॉनर क्या है और मैं कभी ये जवाब नहीं दे पाता हूँ बिकॉज इसमें एक्शन भी है, रोमांस भी है, कॉमेडी भी है, एनिमल्स का फन भी है. So please guys watch it and I promise you will not be disappointed.
And
अगर थोड़ा हंसना है, अगर थोड़ा रोना है, प्लीज जाके देखिए क्योंकि हम तुमसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं and we're hoping that you love it as much as we do. So thank you.
out on 17 Jan, जाके देख लीजिए.
Radio Nasha.